I'd like to welcome you to my 90-gallon saltwater reef tank. It's kind of a system video here. Start with the lighting up there. We've got on the display tank, it's two 50-watt halides up there times 2, plus the Power Compact Actinics. Got the moonlights. On the frag tank there on the left, it's a 20-gallon frag tank. My LED strip actually just went out, so now I've got a glow fixture on there. 2 T5s, Zoo Med bulbs. Gives some pretty good color. Pretty good par as well. I might raise it up a little bit though, just because. Got the 5-gallon Fuge down here in front with a makeshift light because the glow fixture used to be on this, but obviously I needed to make some quick changes. Got a par 38 bulb you really can't see there that glows this tank down here, which was supposed to be my Fuge. Now I don't know what it is. Got urchins and cucumbers and deep sand bed, rock, all kinds of stuff. Got about 100 pounds of rock, about 100 pounds of sand when I started. A lot of my rock, probably about 40 or 50 pounds, was all dry rock, the shelf rock there. Ordered that in from Marco Rocks and constructed all this up. Came out with a pretty cool scape. As far as cooling goes, I run my Apex, so I've got the heater hooked up to it. I also have a fan here and a fan here, both set to kick on to cool it when it gets the temperatures I'm not liking. Probably 14 or so fish. I can't find my Red Sea sailfin tang at the moment, so I don't know what's going on there. But I feed about every other day. I really never feed any of my corals, but I'm gonna start using the SPS food that I have, the coral food, and start feeding. I think maybe a few times a week. Might start doing some of the LPS as well. Just feed quite a bit more. Let's see, as far as lighting cycle goes, pretty much a 24-hour cycle between the display and the Fuge and the sump. My sump and Fuge come on at nighttime, and the display and frag tank run during the day. Everything's set at different times though to stagger a bit. Do about a 5-gallon water change a week. Probably gonna up that a bit. I'm gonna change my schedule a little bit. Try to deal with a few problems I have in here. Maybe I do about 10 gallons a week, something like that. There's about 110 gallons of total water volume in here, between the 90-gallon display, 20 frag, 5-gallon Fuge, and like 35 or 40-gallon sump there. As far as filtration goes, I've got a skimmer there. I've got a filter sock back here from the frag tank. Got 2 reactors over here. I had biopellets, took those off last night, replaced it with carbon, and then my first reactor is GFO. And I also have the Fuge up front. Got a little hang on the back up in here that I run ChemiPure Elite and carbon. Really helps that tank out. Seems like anyway. My Zoes don't like it very much, but the SPS seems to like it. Yeah, I guess that's about it. I'll explain a lot more in the detailed videos on the system with the display tank and the sump.